Welcome to the series Family Planning or Career. Today is the third episode and I will talk to you about how to create a support system. I assume you are convinced you want to create a family. So for that, I suggest you to create a support system, to not do it all alone or trying to do it all alone, because it takes a lot of energy, plus it is quite boring and lonely. And why doing that then? So it is actually quite simple to create a support system. First of all, involve people like your spouse, your life partner, your parents or your parents-in-law, and you can see who can do what and who wants to do what. This brings me to my point of outsourcing. So outsource whatever you can. Very practical things. We are in India, very privileged, and we have a lot of support. We have a driver, we have a maid, we have a cook, we have a nanny, gardener, name it, and we usually have it. Not everybody is privileged like that, want to afford it or can afford it. Like, I know a lot of foreigners, they still want to cook their own food, shopping the groceries, and they have just outsourced, house cleaning activities. So a maid is coming usually 3-4 hours every day, cleaning the house or cleaning the apartment. So it is your choice as well. Outsource whatever you don't want to do, but I say delegate work also others can do. Like everybody, can hire a cook or a driver so that you're not driving, taking care of the child and all of that stuff. So otherwise, if you can't afford it, as I just said, you can check barter deals. Like you have a neighbor maybe who cooks amazing and you're going for grocery shopping anyway, so you can bring some grocery shopping, for him or her, and he can also cook for you in return. So great barter deals. Another point is nanny I want to discuss with you, because I'm not talking about outsource your responsibilities as a mother or as a father. What I mean by nanny is, it is great to have some support for small things here and there. If you want to go for meditation for 10-15 minutes, she can take care of that. If you need the washroom, just quiet for just 10 minutes or something like that, a nanny is there, a great help. So, but showing the world, explaining and all of that stuff, that's your job. Another point which you should create a support system is the corporate you're working for. That means a lot of corporates, big corporates, but also smaller companies or corporates, they have usually a support system for young mothers. That means flexible working hours and also, being flexible in the place. Sometimes people can work from home. Or it's about childcare, quality childcare. It's about paid leaves, etc. So you can check also with your corporate you're working for. If you're an entrepreneur, it's a completely different game overall. Then brings me to my last point actually. Look for some professional help. That means like life coaches. We can help you in that. Like also if you have your business, running your own show, it's about business coach in some way, to create an automatic system. And there's far more support, whatever you think you need. So don't try to do it all alone, because it's a waste of energy, it's a waste of time, and joy is also missing in that aspect. So that brings me to the fourth episode, which is coming up as well, and this is about spending wisely. And as I said already, it's not only about money. Spending wisely can mean a couple of areas in life. So, follow me here. I want to hear from you, your questions, your comments. You can write us an email, you can call us if you want us to help you or the company you're working for as well. Just reach out to us. See you soon. Bye.